Diabetes treatment. Diabetes treatment has become a frequent ailment among people these days. It is caused by a malfunction in the body's glucose metabolism. Excessive urine output, hunger, thirst, and weight loss are all signs of diabetes, as are blurred eyesight, skin healing delays, recurring infections, and excessive weariness. Diabetes is a serious human health problem. It suggests a high level of sugar in the blood and urine. As a result, when it comes to diabetes therapy, the first focus should be on blood sugar control, as this is the primary cause of diabetes. The first stage in this diabetic treatment approach is to control blood sugar. To avoid the problems of diabetes, one must take it seriously and follow a healthy diet or exercise routine. Apart from that, some people use insulin and other types of medication to help them get better. Blood sugar testing on a regular basis can show you how far you've progressed in managing an appropriate level of sugar in your blood. It is critical to understand the proper range of blood glucose unless and until you are unable to comprehend the complications you are experiencing as a result of this disease. The appropriate range of glucose for younger people, provided there are no complications, is 80 to 120 mg/dl, while for older people, it is 100 to 140 mg/dl. The diabetes program involves some specific self-treatments like as eating a healthy and balanced diet, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and taking medication. When it comes to a good and adequate diet, it does not propose that you eat all the boring foods that you don't like. Rather, it suggests that you eat more fruits, vegetables, and grains, implying that you should be careful of eating foods that are high in nutrients but low in fat and calories. Limit your intake of sweets and animal products. The most important aspect of this diabetic treatment program is that you should challenge yourself in this task, otherwise, the program will be too difficult. Consult a nutritionist about a meal plan, and attempt to stick to it at set times and with the same amount every day, as per your diet plan. All aerobic workouts should be avoided when it comes to getting proper exercise. You can choose from a variety of daily workouts in this diabetes treatment regimen, such as taking a morning or evening walk, running, hiking, bicycling, swimming, or any other heart and lung exercises. Remember that maintaining consistency in your training routine is critical to achieving the best results. Try to keep your weight in line with your activity level and age because being overweight is a risk factor that can make your cells more insulin resistant. Making a good weight loss plan and sticking to it will help you achieve better results. When it is discovered that proper dieting and exercise are not accomplishing their goals, medication might be quite helpful. This form of diabetes regimen entails the administration of insulin as needed. Because it cannot be taken as a tablet, some people have it injected with a syringe, while others use an insulin pump. So it's evident that diabetes is always treatable provided the sufferer pays close attention to it on a regular basis. Although diabetes can cause you to suffer for the rest of your life, it does not mean that your life is over. You simply must remember that you will only be able to control the sickness if you are self-disciplined in each and every phase of your treatment program. Disclaimer: this information has not been reviewed by a physician and is provided solely for educational and informative reasons. The information provided is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have any questions about a medical problem, always seek the counsel of your physician or another experienced healthcare practitioner. Never reject or postpone obtaining expert medical advice because of something you've read. Because natural and/or dietary supplements are not approved by the FDA, they must be labeled with a two-part disclaimer, that the statement has not been assessed by the FDA and that the product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.